Black face doll treatment. Effect: deep cleansing and pore tightening. Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Apply carbon gel evenly across the face. And allow it to dry. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads, then place the black goggles on. The operator must also wear goggles. Attach the black treatment head to the handle. Settings. Select 1064 nanometers. MJ setting, 850 MJ. Hertz setting, 3 Hz. Press the ready button, then activate the foot switch to begin the process. Position the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters away from the face, and smoothly move the handle from the chin across the face until the carbon cream is completely removed. Remove the goggles and cotton pads. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream. Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area. Shape the treatment area with the razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply a generous layer of gel to the treatment area. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths, then place the black goggles on. The operator must also wear goggles. 808 nanometers hair removal. Settings. Gender selection, female. Treatment area, E. Frequency, 4 Hz. Pulse width, 90 milliseconds. Laser power, 100%. Cooling level, 4. Use a stamping technique. Start horizontally, then move vertically to cover the entire target area. Wipe the treatment area. Arm hair removal, for reference. Settings. Select 808 nanometers hair removal on the screen. Gender, female. Treatment area, E. Frequency, 4 Hz. Pulse width, 90 milliseconds. Laser power, 100%. Cooling level, 4. Leg hair removal, for reference. Settings. Select 808 nanometers hair removal on the screen. Gender, female. Treatment area, D. Frequency, 5 Hz. Pulse width, 80 milliseconds. Laser power, 100%. Cooling level, 4. Lip hair removal, for reference. Settings. Select 808 nanometers hair removal on the screen. Gender, female. Treatment area, A. Frequency, 4 Hz. Pulse width, 85 milliseconds. Laser power, 100%. Cooling level, 4. Mole removal, 1064 nanometers. Wipe the treatment area. Apply anesthesia to the target area, allow it to sit for 20 minutes, and then cleanse the area. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads, then place the black goggles on. The operator must also wear goggles. Attach the 1064 nanometers treatment head to the handle. Settings. Energy, 850 mJ. Hertz setting, 3 Hz. Tap Ready button to start. Hold the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters from the mole area and press the pedal with each operation. Apply a repair product to the treated area. Tattoo removal, 532 nanometers. This is an example only. The specific settings should be based on the recipient's conditions. Settings. MJ settings, 350 mJ. Hertz setting, 1 Hz. Tap Ready button to start. Hold the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters from the target area and press the pedal with each operation.